Hi guys! I thought I'd create something bright and colourful today, so I'm going to be doing a swipe over some really pretty rainbow colours. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colours and giving them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colours is mixed in my typical swipe ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. I'll also list all my paint colours, ratios and supplies in the description box so you can find all those details there. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I really love the pretty rainbow colours against the black, and also like how the different colours kind of blend together. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you next time.